Welcome to Bald Eagle Garage. Today on the channel we're going to replace these switches on our steering wheel. This is all worn out and scratched up. These other two look pretty good, so we're going to leave those for now. So we got these here from the junkyard. Found a good set, so I just grabbed them and I'm going to show you how to replace them. First step, you disconnect the negative battery terminal. And if you're interested in what kind of terminals these are, you can check out my other video I did on another truck. Now that your battery is disconnected, we're going to find this little hole right here on both sides. And you're going to need to stick a tool in there. If you have a small screwdriver, and we're going to push against a spring, and then you're going to be able to pull the airbag right off. I'm just using some TIG wire here. You stick it in the hole, and you just lift up like that, hold on to it, and go around to the other side, do the same thing. Then your airbag can come off. And on the back is this little clip, and it is not disconnected. Okay, so we're going to take this one off first. Just get your little hooker tool, stick it in there, and kind of pull on the back of the switch. You want to pull that as much slack with that wire that you can. There's a little tab back here. Just give it a little push right on the tab, and then the clip will come right out. We got our new switch. We're going to make sure to get it on the right way. We're going to use our hooker tool here to hold it. And you just slide it on, just like that. And push her back in. Let me show you again on the other side. Take your hooker tool, stick it in there, and turn it a little bit. Pull it nice and gentle. Just like that. The back side is that little tab. Just push on it. Wiggle the switch off. Take your new switch. Put your hooker tool on the back side of the clip. Orient it in there. And then just pull until it snaps like that. And then back in. So there we go. Now we have new switches, and we just need to hook our airbag back up. If you needed to replace these two, it's the same thing. Just go back there with your hooker tool and pull it. Now to get the airbag back on, all we have to do is plug that right back in. You can see the way it is, it can only go in one direction. And that's not it. It can only go in one direction, this way. You gotta line up those guys each side. There, you know my battery's disconnected because the horn ain't working. Now all you need to do is hook your battery back up, and you're good to go. So there it is, a real quick, simple, easy video for you guys today. Smash that like button and subscribe.